Functionality of a fully biological wash water treatment INOWA System C BIO in concrete basin made on site. The components sludge trap fixed bed bioreactor secondary sedimentation and removal are integrated in a concrete basin manufactured on site. The concrete basin is dimensioned on the basis of the expected washing numbers and manufactured on site. If required, crystal clear service water is pumped out of the extraction basin and made available to the washing system via the filtration system. The wash water produced in the conveyor tunnel system is fed to the sludge trap. Sludge sediments and sinks to the bottom. An oblique clarifier ensures that even fine sand particles are sedimented. The constant further development of the washing programs results in a massively increased organic load of the washing water. This requires an additional treatment stage to sedimentation and filtration. Therefore, the wastewater freed from sediments is fed to the fixed bed bioreactor. Microorganisms settle in the maintenance-freed fixed bed bioreactor and are supplied with oxygen as needed and in an energy-efficient manner. Through metabolic processes, a targeted, fully biological degradation of dissolved organic substances takes place. Unwanted biofilm growth on the wall surfaces and on the machine technology is thus reduced. Clean washrooms offer a great wash experience and are an important tool for customer loyalty. The excess sludge produced by erosion in the fixed bed bioreactor is fed to the sludge trap via sludge lifters. The excess sludge that has drifted into the secondary sedimentation is also recirculated into the sludge trap with a sludge lifter. INOWA System C BIO ensures crystal clear service water without odor. We will be happy to calculate the required size of the fixed bed bioreactor based on your project-specific requirements and create a customized plant concept.